7422 Via Lorado. For lease. Really gorgeous entry, Palos Verdes stone, 2-car garage. Entrance. Landing, big living room. Fireplace. There's a den slash office. The bay window, built-ins. This property does come partially furnished. It's like this dining room table. The bookshelf, the other things. What you see. Gorgeous patio. Palos Verdes stone again, and then some yard. And then an incredible sunset view. Really nice kitchen. We got oak flooring. We have maple cabinets here. Really nice. 4-burner stove, and you have a sink with a view. That's pretty amazing. Family room here with a fireplace. So there's 2 fireplaces. Really cute bath, half bath. Sorry. And these rooms are awfully dark. So bedroom 1 with a bed. Bedroom 2 with a few other things. Here's the bath. And the master. And then coming back out towards the view. Amazing.